shaving cream, lotion, food coloring, cornstarch, and glue.
And what's in the box?
Borax.
Good job.
Good job, Henrietta.
All right, it is time to get started. We are gonna make fluffy slime. And as everybody knows, slime is huge. Everybody loves slime. And we've made slime lots of times before, but we've never made fluffy slime. So we're gonna get going on that, and we're gonna teach you guys how to do it along with us. We have never made it before. So here is what you are gonna need. 1/2 cup of glue, 1/2 cup of shaving cream, 1/2 cup of foaming soap, a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 pump of hand lotion, and any color that you want if you want colored slime, and then a cup of warm water and a teaspoon of borax. Should we get started?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, Camden, will you give everybody a bowl? Okay, and we got the mega glue because we are gonna go through this, I am sure. Okay, everybody gets a 1/2 cup of glue. So bring your bowls over here.
I'll go last.
This is just regular glue.
Eleanor's glue. Glue. It's like sour milk.
It is heavy.
It's like yogurt. Yeah. Oh.
All right, Charlie.
This is what it looks
Just
like.
leave it.
This is what it looks like when it like spreads. It looks
Oh, this is so heavy.
like the glue. If Daddy is here,
Yes.
he'll just pull it.
I know. We need Daddy's muscles, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's so beefy.
So beefy.
Beefy.
All right.
Yeah, my dad is the
Okay. Well, once we get a few things of this done, it won't be quite so heavy.
Well, Mom, you're strong too.
I'm trying. Ugh. It's so heavy.
Do you need me
It
to
doesn't
lift
look
it?
that heavy.
Well,
Do you need me to lift it?
right? No, I might, huh?
It smells so good when it like
Does
goes
it?
down.
Well, and I'm holding it really far away from my body.
So it won't get on your clothes. Mom, it looks like that, but it's actually not.
Okay, so we're done with the glue. And next, we are going to do
Soap or shaving cream or whatever's in it.
1/2 cup of, remember?
Shaving cream.
Shaving
I
cream.
guessed it. I said shaving cream.
Okay, we'll go in the opposite order. Whoa,
Oh,
whoa.
what?
Whoa.
And this is supposed to make it nice and fluffy.
Fluffer. Can you do that to me? Can you like Big Mountain?
Yes.
Yeah, I need to.
Camden,
Mama.
pass out these knives to stir to everybody.
But you don't.
Whoa.
Okay, Mama, can you please do Big Mountain to me,
Do
please?
you want a big mountain?
We all need a big mountain. Yeah. Because then to make it even. Yeah. Mm-hmm. On my face. Oh, that's big. Thanks, Mama. Oh, look at that. So look at it. Oh.
Whoa.
Now
Hey,
watch.
start stirring that.
But Mom, it's on the edges.
No.
That's okay. And then 1/2
I
cup
don't have any on my
of foaming soap. And I'm using a kind that I thought smelled good, so it smelled good.
That smells so good.
So everybody gets a 1/2 cup. Ooh, it looks so fluffy and creamy.
It looks like whipped
And
It
yellow.
does. Okay, now the next
And all
one.
we need is fruit for
Okay, bring it over here. Bring your bowls over. This
That's
is
gonna make it smell
gonna make
good.
it so fluffy.
And
Can I
smell
be
good.
next?
It smells so good. Yep.
I have now some on the side.
Oh, that bubbles.
I could just blow all these bubbles. I only blowed one out.
Uh-oh, better get a towel.
Yeah, I hate it when it does that.
Get a towel.
Hasn't happened to me yet.
Yeah. Actually, Charlie, will you give me a plate so I have something to set this on?
Yeah.
Okay, stir that around and around.
Look it.
I'll just set it there on the table. That's fine.
Smells
Okay.
like lemon.
Now we are going to use our cornstarch.
This smells like lemon.
It does. It's supposed to smell like the sunrise. And everybody gets 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon. Okay. Stir this around.
It looks so slimy.
Stir it all around.
Look at the bottom of my mom. It's yellow.
Oh,
Oops.
that's okay. And then a pump of hand lotion. I chose one that I thought smelled good.
Cornstarch.
And this is supposed to make it soft and creamy. Oh, it's almost done.
I feel like I need
There we
more.
go. Okay, keep stirring that all around.
My handhold.
And then we're gonna pick a color. And I love these neon colors. They're so cute. There's purple, green, pink, and blue.
Don't we need borax?
Me
Not until the very end. Keep stirring.
too.
Oh yeah, I'm magic.
Let's see. How are you magic? Ooh.
Me
You're
too.
stirring the bowl?
My arm is hurting.
Why is your arm hurting? You've just been stirring so much.
Change all.
Now for
Change arms. For the food coloring, what color do you want?
Mom, am
I
I
know
ready?
closer.
I'm gonna give the turquoise.
You're gonna do turquoise, and it's okay if you guys wanna do a few colors. So those are the colors.
Could I have
Pink, purple, green, and turquoise. Just do 1 drop to start.
Mom,
Can I help you with the food coloring? Or you think you can do it?
Mom, I think I can.
Just 1 drop.
Then
See.
I want to use Camden.
Put it in.
I'm gonna do
Okay,
some.
let's see. McKay, put yours in.
I did.
Oh, you did? Ooh. Just 1 drop, Charlie girl.
Can I use this one? Can I use this color?
Am I done?
Here, hand that to me and I'll wash it off.
Am I
This
done?
color.
Yep.
So big.
I wouldn't. I would just do, well, whatever you want to
I
do.
want 2 colors.
Oh, Charlie. Oh, that's so pretty.
What do we put on
See yours.
mine?
Should I do turquoise too?
Oh, that's so cool.
Mom, do you want me to do pink?
Henry, what color are you going to do?
I did baby blue.
Mama, do you want me to do pink too?
Can I do 2 drops of green?
Oh, look at
Sure.
mine.
It's like minty green.
Can you please hand me the I'm doing minty.
You want pink or purple? Give her the pink.
I'm gonna do one of each color.
All right. It might be kind of an ugly color. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
That's fine. Oh, you got 2?
Mom, look at my color. Mom, look at mine.
Keep stirring. Oh, yours is purple?
Okay, look at my color.
That's so pretty. Okay,
at
keep
my
stirring. Get
color,
all that off
okay?
of there.
Cool. So don't use blue. My color is beautiful.
It is?
It's pink.
It is so
Mine
pretty.
is purple.
I love them all. My goodness.
Okay, now yours
Okay,
is green.
so now keep stirring and then we will put in the borax. Now we're just going to put in a few drops of borax, a few teaspoons in each. Keep stirring. We're going to start with 3 teaspoons and we can already see it starting to thicken up.
I start with my hands.
Camden, mix that with your hands. What does it feel like?
Sticky marshmallows.
Sticky marshmallows, but it's not sticking to your hands, is it?
A little bit.
A little. Keep working the borax in. We might have to put a little bit more of the borax mixture in. Henry, you've got yours out.
Mine is sticking bad.
Is it sticking? It might need some more borax, huh?
Can I get some
And
more?
Charlie's?
Mine isn't.
Can I take mine out?
Never mind.
Mhm.
This hand like has none.
Really?
Like this
Oh,
hand.
it's
Like,
super sticky. Oh.
I don't think it's really that sticky. I think that's what it's supposed to look like.
Oh, can we keep it like this? It feels so
yeah.
good.
Let's see. Oh.
Oh.
And remember, it can't go on the carpet because it's gotten stuck in the carpet before, huh?
Yeah, I remember my.
That was horrible.
I remember my pink. I can't get my thumb out.
Is your thumb stuck?
Remember that pink slime over there?
Did it?
Yes.
Yeah, I was fine.
So what do you guys think of this slime? Do you love it?
This is like.
This is Henry's slime, and it is awesome. It is pink, and it feels so cool. It is super fluffy. It is definitely a hit.
Like, imagine trying to grab something without.
Henry, pull some of this apart. Pull on some of that.
I can't.
Here with your other hand, just pull some of it off.
Wait, and you can't get your hand
And you can
off?
see in there it's got all these little air bubbles. And that is what is making it so fluffy. That's what the soap and the shaving cream do. Awesome. Fluffy slime for the win. This is Charlie's. Oh boy.
Messy. My mama, please.
Here, let's see if you can grab it.
It's like a brain. Subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Lift it up. Roll it. And I get long.
Oh yeah.
And it smells super good. Stretch. Really long. Then wrap around. Pull apart.
Ooh.
Stretch.
Whoa!
Stretch it out. Break. Stretch it out again. Let it go down. And then there you go.
Cool.
So this is my trick. So you're gonna make it in a ball, and you're gonna set it down. Put on one hand,
Whoa.
and then
Loud clapping.